Well, hey family, happy Friday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I have the day off today because I had to go to the doctor because I sprained my they call it something at the doctor's office, but it's basically I put too much stress on my knee, and it's basically the muscle, that's swollen, and it's a little painful for me to walk and all that kind of stuff. And they talking about rest and, you know, elevate it and do all this stuff. And I'm like, there is no way that I could just rest my leg, my knee, my muscle. There's no way I can do that. There's too much that has to be done in a day. Oh, you know what? I should have used this bead right here. Look, that would have been cool. I'm gonna make another bracelet. And I'm gonna make this a 5 piece. But anyway, all is well. So I had to go and get that done and stuff. But I do have the entire. I just took the entire day off instead of working for a little bit and then going to the doctor and then going back to work. That never made sense to me. And it's like people be doing that all the time. They'll take like half of the day off and then go to an appointment and then come back to work. I'm like, just take the whole day off. You got the time. But anyway, I was sitting here when I got back home making some bracelets. So this big piece right here is the wood piece, and I bought these wood beads at Hobby Lobby. So they look, I'm trying to see one that I haven't painted, but they look like this on both sides when you buy them. But I went ahead and painted this side. I used some paint pens. And then once it dried, I went ahead and put some Mod Podge on it, just a really light coat of Mod Podge. And then I painted over it again with the paint pens. And then I put another little thin coat of Mod Podge on here. And I used the glossy. These beads right here are glass beads. I got these at Hobby Lobby. This, of course, is a little bead, natural stone bead I get at Joann's, and I made a custom charm. This bead right here is hand painted by me. And then, of course, I got some aluminum wire right here, aluminum wire beads right there. And let's see, these little, I think these are these peacocks? I think these are little peacock bead birds, peacock beads. I got these at Joann's. And then you can just kind of see through here. I have wood beads, I have stone beads, I have some plastic beads, I have some glass beads. And then that's all there is, ain't no more. This one right here, the peace sign, is an actual charm, and I just went ahead and made it a focal bead for this bracelet. So then we got this bracelet right here. And then we have this. And then we have this one. I really like the way this looks. I like the way they all look together. And then we have this one. And this is a 25 millimeter wood bead, and it's unfinished when you buy them. I think they come anywhere between 300 and 500, I think, in a bag. But I hand painted this one, and I used some type of acrylic paint, and then once I paint the bead, I cover it with some satin varnish, and I put a couple of coats on, and this lasts pretty good. I got bracelets that I wear that I've made these beads, and last them pretty good. And then we got this big baby right here. I love this. And then this bead right here came from Hobby Lobby, and they have all different colors. I am going to be using some more of these colors to make something else. And then I also got these beads right here. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with these beads right here, but I'm getting ready to make something just really artistic and just really out the box with these beads. And then I'm thinking these beads right here, I might go ahead and match them with some of the turquoise. I'm going to sit here and I'm going to see what I'm going to put together. I need to stop for a minute, go eat some lunch because I haven't eaten anything. But I'm going to go and eat, drink me a bunch of water, and then get myself set up in here all comfortably. Usually I'll bring my laptop and sit my laptop right next to me. So like I'm listening to audiobooks or listening to a movie or something when I'm working. So my whole thing is, because my knee still hurts a little bit, I'm going to take just the whole day, all weekend, if God says the same, and just relax. And the plan is just to create all day. Oh, these are really nice. I really like these little mushrooms. When I finished this, I was like, dang, I should have got some more of these. And I'm almost tempted to go back to Hobby Lobby and get some more of these because they were stocked up. And my doctor's office is right there by Hobby Lobby. So of course, what did I do? I stopped off at Hobby Lobby. And I did see these, and they have a 50% off sale. I did do a video, and they are like fully stocked on the beads. I know they was this morning when I was there. So this is what this one looks like. I really like these. I'm just in love with these. And then these are the type of bracelets where you can wear one or you could just wear them all together, and that's the goal. Like when I'm making bracelets, that's my whole thing is because I know usually what will happen is one bracelet will be the best looking bracelet, and then all the rest of the bracelets will be like little simple, beaded bracelets, and they're not as artistic and put together is like that main bracelet, like what this one would be. But I like every one of the bracelets to be, something be like, just dynamic and looks really good and full of drama. So I'm like, okay, well, this is really cute. And plus, it makes the set look even more attractive, of course, making people want to buy them. So and then you can just wear one at a time. You can wear two or three or however you want to do it. You can even wear one bracelet and then marry them with gold bangles like what I do. I'll wear two sometime, two of any the bracelets that I wear, and I'll put gold bangles on with it, and then I'll tie like a piece of leather cord on my wrist, and it just makes a really attractive, full wrist. So and this is what I'm doing right here. These are really nice. I really like the way these look. You guys let me know what you think. But I will be back with some more videos today. And if you guys, if any of you in the group here are interested in the celebrity collaborative shipping event, there is updated information I post in the group this morning. So if you're interested in that, go over to the Jewelry by BDK Creative Zone, take a peek at that. And if you're interested, there's details in there. And then we're going to be shipping out December the 2nd. So there's a lot going on. And after, I think I said that in a couple other videos, starting January 2025, I have like a whole lot of things that are coming up. I'm also putting together I guess it would be like a ebook, and in that ebook, it is going to have like simple, not simple, but sample letters. So I'm putting together a lot of sample letters, like sample letters that you would send to stores or boutiques or any establishment, small establishment that you might be interested in consigning your having your jewelry on consignment or even selling to that small boutique or small store. And there are a whole lot of them. Atlanta, New York, Los Angeles. So there's a whole lot of them. So I'm putting together a lot of different letters, that people can pick from, the wording and the format of it and all that good stuff. I'm also putting together a collection of line sheets, like what line sheets would look like with the price, also with the price sheet. Just a lot of different samples because a lot of people don't know, and the people want to get their, their items in stores or boutiques or something like such, right? And then there's like a process that you pretty much have to go through. So it'll also have some information in there um, where you can send your items to outside of the store, like with the collaborative shipping that we're going to be doing. It'll have information in there for maybe some celebrities, their PR person, their stylist, their agency, but it'll be full of some information. It's going to be like really good, solid information, in it. So I'm working on that now, and hopefully I'll get that done by the beginning of the year. But it'll be some very valuable information. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.